It's Sunday, man. Let the Bart kill overnight. He is risen. The Bart. Right here. Man, since 2020. Oh. I'm gonna spread this out there. Oh, protein blend. Just gonna add a little bit to the top. We're gonna put some little bit of cranberries in there. Oh. That's you. So we're gonna let this freeze for a couple of hours. So we're gonna cut this up. There you go. I just cut the paper. It's okay. What'd he say? Here we go. That looks pretty good. Yeah. I like it. I'm not a fan of dark chocolate, but with the nuts and everything, not tolerable. It's really good. What am I making good? Yeah. Alright, let's try how pretty that looks.